I need to tell you something. When I first started looking to make money online, I wasn't looking to become rich. I wasn't looking to chase fancy cars. I wasn't looking for millions of dollars. I wasn't looking for passive income. Honestly, I was just looking for my life back. If you've ever felt burnt out, or if you've ever felt that you've dreaded a Monday morning, if you've ever wondered if life is seriously just about work, sleep, repeat, then my friend, this video is for you. Hi there, and if you're new here, my name is Ruan and I am the founder of Ruan Road to Riches. And for 17 years of my life, I was exactly where you are now. So I'll be honest, before I found this business, I was terrified because I've been scammed before. I've wasted money before. Plus, I don't know anything about the online world or have any tech experience. My honest thought was, maybe just online business isn't for people like me. That's when I started looking at these opportunities. And let me tell you, every single one of them expected the same thing. Bother friends and family, DM strangers, cold call people to get people involved, keep stock in your garage, spend money on advertising, recruit everyone you know, pay monthly subscriptions like forever. And I remember sitting there thinking, there has to be another way. I mean, how is it that people are doing this? Because none of that felt like freedom. It felt like just more of a job. And maybe that is exactly where you are right now. Maybe you've looked at online business before, but instead of feeling excited, you felt overwhelmed. Maybe you've been burnt before. Maybe you've lost money before. Maybe you're scared of making another mistake. I completely understand that, my friend, because that was me. But let me tell you the good news. Literally everything in my life changed when I found this online business for beginners, a business in a box. And not because someone promised me millions. Actually, to be honest, no one did. Instead, what I found was something simple, a complete done-for-you business in a box, made specially for beginners. Literally everything in this business is already built. Website? Done. Email systems? Done. Sales funnel? Done. Training? Done. Live mentorship daily and a community that's already waiting to welcome you. Instead of trying to figure everything out on my own, I simply plugged in my own information on the things that I got, started learning, started posting content, started growing slowly, but it happened one step at a time. So then you're sitting there asking, so what made you invest? Now, there was a few things that made me invest. Firstly, it wasn't another monthly subscription that you had to pay monthly every single time for life. You pay only once and never ever again. In the 2 years that I'm already busy with this almost, I've never even paid for advertising materials. Then my second thing was that I actually own what I sell. Through Master Resell Rights, I own 100% of the product profit, meaning I only needed that one customer to put me already in profit mode. I don't share my profits and I keep 100%, as I said, every single last dollar. My fourth reason is actually simple. I don't need inventory, I don't need boxes, I don't need a garage full of stock, and I don't need shipping. Then my fourth reason is that absolutely nobody expects you to bother your friends or family, to cold call strangers, to DM anyone, or to spam people. I've never had to do that. Never, never, never. That is the job of my automated system. And then maybe this is my favorite part of it all, is that you only get to work 2 focused hours a day. You see, as I mentioned, my automated system keeps working 24/7 in the background, even while I'm doing whatever I like to do, or even while I'm going to bed. Because, my friend, the internet never sleeps. Now here's the big shocker, because this is what no one actually tells you. With this program, I didn't just learn skills to sell a digital product. It taught me marketing, branding, automation, funnel building, content creation, attraction marketing, email marketing, and it actually boosted my confidence. Learning those skills actually changed my entire life. If Legacy Builders program disappears tomorrow, No one in the entire world can take those skills away from me. And that's real freedom. Most people think that real freedom comes from working harder. I don't believe that anymore. I think true freedom comes from building systems. Systems that keeps on working, even when you don't. If you've been sitting on the fence, wondering if someone like you could actually do this, I would absolutely love to help you. I've put everything I know into a free Freedom Formula blueprint that explains everything step by step. And it explains how my simple 2-hour workday works. Don't type DM me. Instead, comment the word freedom below this video right now, and I'll share my link to grab the free Freedom Formula blueprint instantly in your inbox right away to see how this works. And if this video helped you even just a little, please subscribe, because every week I share what I'm learning while I'm building my own road to riches. We're figuring this out together, my friend, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.